Welcome back, Conf42 Site Reliability Engineer 2025. Today I'm going to talk about AI-driven cloud solutions, overcoming challenges, and ensure ethical deployment and site reliability engineering. So the convergence of artificial intelligence and cloud computing is revolutionizing industries, creating unprecedented opportunities while presenting unique challenges for site reliability engineers. As organizations rush to harness AI's potentials in cloud environments, SREs face complex obstacles in security, integration, and operational efficiency. So this presentation explores the rapidly evolving landscape of AI in cloud computing, examining the critical challenges facing SREs and providing data-backed solutions to address them. We will investigate security concerns, integration complexities, and ethical consideration that must be navigated for successful AI implementation in cloud systems. So this is the growing of AI cloud market. The current AI cloud market evaluation more than 11.2 billion by 2023. So 35.6% the growth rate, 68% adoption rate, 31% efficiency gain. Next, security challenges in AI cloud integration, especially data privacy concerns, the model protection, security incidents, the tool deficiency. Security represents the foremost challenge for SREs implementing AI in cloud environments. Organizations struggle with protecting sensitive training data while maintaining model accuracy. Simultaneously, AI models themselves require protection from increasingly sophisticated adversarial attacks that attempts to manipulate outputs or extract confidential information. So, coming to security solutions, with implementation of homomorphic encryption, enables computation on encrypted data without decryption, preserves privacy through or the processing pipeline, secure enclaves, isolated execution environments for sensitive operations, hardware layout protection for AI model inference. With implemented differential privacy, mathematical frameworks to limit individual data exposure, balances data utility with privacy protection. So the measurable results, 92% reductions in privacy incidents, enhanced protection against adversarial attacks. So advanced security technologies are emerging to address unique challenges of AI in cloud environments. So these solutions enable SIs to implement robust security measures while maintaining the performance and functionality of AI systems. Next, the integration and operational challenges. The main technical declaration, deployment difficulties, performance monitoring gaps, the cost management complexity. So SREs face numerous operational challenges when integrating AI into cloud systems. So these challenges can significantly impact reliability, performance, and cost effectiveness if not properly addressed. So coming to operational solutions for SREs, the main AI-powered monitoring, the predictive anomaly detection and automated remediation, service mesh architecture, enhanced visibility and control across microservices. So MLOps framework, a streamlined model deployment and versioning with the dynamic resource optimization. So AI-driven resource allocation for cost efficiency. So implementing next generation operational solutions can address the integration challenges SRE face. Organizations adapting these approaches has seen 92% increments in service discovery and a 40% reduction in operational costs. So these technologies enable SREs to maintain reliability while accelerating AI adoption. So the adoption of MLOps frameworks especially has reduced model deployment time by 78%, allowing for more frequent updates and improvements to AI systems in production environments. Next, ethical AI consideration. So the main four pillars, the fairness and bias mitigation, explainability and transparency, the regulatory compliance, the human oversight. So ethical considerations are paramount when deploying AI in cloud environments. So SREs must work alongside AI ethics specialists to ensure systems operate fairly and transparently. So organizations implementing bias testing frameworks have improved fairness metrics by 42%, while those with robust governance frameworks achieve 96.8% regulatory compliance. So the ethical dimensions of AI deployment extended beyond technical implementations to encompass organizational values and social impact, required holistic approach from technical leader. So next, implementing responsible AI frameworks. So the main model documentation, bias detection mitigation, explainability tools. So implementing responsible AI frameworks requires collaboration between SREs, data scientists, and business stakeholders. So organizations that have adopted comprehensive frameworks report 74% higher user trust and 28% fast regulatory approval for AI. So next, the case study, financial services AI transformation. So the main challenge identification and SRE solution designs, the implementation and testing, and measurable outcomes. So this case study demonstrates how SRE principles, when applied to AI cloud integration, can transform operational performance while maintaining security and ethical standards. So the financial institutions achieved these improvements while simultaneously reducing operational costs by 31%. Key to their success was the early involvement of SREs in the AI system design process, ensuring reliability and security requirements were addressed from the beginning rather than retroactively. So the next best practices for SREs. The first one, the shift left security. So integrate security practices early in the development lifecycle. So with automated scanning and verification for AI components. So this approach has shown to reduce security incidents by 76% compared to traditional methods. So infrastructure as code. Define all cloud resources and AI model deployments as code, enabling version control, reproducibility, and rapid recovery. So organizations using infrastructure as code for AI deployments report 80% faster recovery times. AI ops integration. So leverage AI to manage AI. So implementing intelligent monitoring and automated remediation based on pattern recommendations. So early adapters have reduced mean time resolution by 64%. So finally, the continuous learning. So establish knowledge sharing between data science and SRE teams with regular cross-training collaborative instance. So this cultural practice strengthens overall system reliability. So these SRE best practices for the foundation of successful AI integration in cloud environments. So organizations that have adopted these approaches report higher reliability, improved security posture, and more efficient operations. So finally, the key takeaways are next step. So the integration of AI into cloud computing presents transformative opportunities alongside significant challenges for SREs. So by implementing advanced security measures like homomorphic encryption and secure enclaves, organizations can protect sensitive data while enabling AI innovation. So operational excellence requires adopting AI-powered monitoring, service mesh architectures, and MLOps frameworks. So ethical consideration must remain central to AI deployment with frameworks for bias detection, explainability, and regulatory compliance. So organizations that successfully navigate these challenges push themselves to fully leverage AI potential while maintaining the reliability and security that modern cloud systems demand. So the next step for most organizations is conducting a comprehensive readiness assessment, identifying gap areas, and developing established the security, operational, and ethical consideration simultaneously. Thank you. Thank you very much.